Good morning, friends, beautiful people, powerful people. I just want to reach out to you all today. This is a beautiful celebration Sunday at the Metaphysical Chapel of South Florida in downtown Fort Lauderdale. And I just want to bring forward the concept of purpose today. If you took a breath today, you have purpose. If you took breath today, the universe still has a need for you. And when we look at our dreams, well, really, when we look inside to our vision, when we look inside to our dream that's inside of us, that's where we find our purpose. It's where we find our passion. It's where our soul beams and glows, as they talk about. And so when we step into or when we embody our purpose, we literally begin to burn away karmic debt. We begin to elevate ourselves spiritually, and we just begin to have a much more blessed life, don't we? So I just wanted to reach out to you all today to say, have a blessed day. I'm so happy you took a breath today. Remember, you have purpose.